So this is the flex space. It can be used as an office, formal living room, or even formal dining. We have a full bath on the first floor and a bedroom. Very deep closets. This space is actually to the garage, but they're using it as an office now. But you'll have a 2-car garage in this property, and this will be walled in, obviously. Under the stairs, you have storage. This is the living area. Open concept. The island will be a little bit shorter than this. You have a full pantry. It will have the tread railings, but the house that we're looking at will have carpeted stairs. And this will be sheetrock versus the metal tread.
Your oldest is how old? 16? Or how old did you say? 14? Oh, okay. I have a
You have the first bedroom. Upstairs will all be carpeted except for the bathrooms and the laundry room. So you have a separate door for the toilet and shower. And I'll have to confirm, but I don't know if that has double vanities or just single. This is upstairs loft area. Have another bedroom. It has a walk-in closet. Very spacious. So I have a closet. Another bedroom. And it also has a walk-in closet. Now, laundry room will not have that sink, but it's a very spacious laundry room. And not 100% sure about the shelving, if they come with it standard or not.
Actually, we didn't even do Windsor. We just did Southwest Elementary and Southwest Middle. Oh, here, I'll.
So we're in the master bedroom. So in the master, that's a king size bed. Now, the house they're building does not have the tray ceilings,
Even though it's not a
so it'll just be an
school,
8-foot
do a different school that's
ceiling.
in our community. So I reached out to the principals of those schools and told them what we're doing and told them we're about to.
So this home has 2 walk-in closets. So here's the first one. You'll have double vanities, private water room, and second closet. The other home will have a separate tub and shower versus the large shower, but it will be tiled, meaning that you have the tile around the shower and around the tub, similar to this.
I mean, it's not easy to go through.
And
that
that's about it.
process.